In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the name of a Google Drive link. This can be particularly useful if you share links often and want them to be easily recognizable or organized to fit your purposes. Let's dive right into the steps. To start off, open your web browser and head over to Google Drive. Here, you'll want to locate the file or folder for which you want to change the link name. Once you have found your file, right-click on it. A context menu will pop up, and from there, click on Get Link. This action will bring up a dialog box displaying the link that can be shared with others. Before we proceed with changing the link name, remember that Google itself doesn't have an option to rename links within Google Drive. However, a practical workaround is to create a hyperlink with your desired name. So here's the trick. Copy the link provided in the dialog box. You'll use this to create a named hyperlink. The next step involves choosing a platform where you can input text, such as a Google Doc, an email draft, or even a messaging app. For this example, let's use Google Docs. Open a new or existing document in Google Docs where you want to store this named link. Within your document, type out the name that you wish to assign to the link. It can be anything descriptive that tells you what the link is for. After typing your chosen name, highlight it by clicking and dragging your mouse over the text. You'll then want to navigate to the toolbar at the top of the screen and click on the Insert Link icon, which usually resembles a chain link. A little dialog box will pop up, allowing you to paste the previously copied Google Drive link into the URL field. Do so, and then click on Apply. Your text will transform into a hyperlink, and you'll see it highlighted or underlined, indicating that it's clickable. And there you have it. You've effectively changed the Google Drive link to a name of your choice, making it easy for both you and others to recognize. Every time you or someone else clicks this hyperlink, it will take them directly to the specified Google Drive file or folder. It's a simple yet effective method to better organize your shared links, ensuring that your files are easily accessible and identifiable. This trick is a powerful tool for improving your workflow and making collaborative projects more seamless. Remember, while Google doesn't offer a direct method to rename the link, using a hyperlink in a document or email is a clever alternative that gets the job done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you in managing your Google Drive links more efficiently.